This is the tutorial to how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Let's start. First, we make a cross and align here the colors. It up, side, and align it. Align cross like this. Cross and align. And let's insert the corner. Here, the corner is up. This is not in optimal position. We need a green facing here, is left or right, and facing us. Must bring it this. Here, optimal position. And align and insert it. Here is the inverse thing, like that, or here. This is not optimal position. We need it up and align it and up. And solve the first layer. In the corner, need in optimal position. Align, away, bring it up, bring it back, away, side, and up, and again. With it, eventually, to solve a second layer. Now, your second layer is solved. So, interlayer. We have L. This is should make a cross. Fish. Yep. And here to match a color here and twice. You can sing it if you want, just fun. And now Rubik's Cube is done. That's all.